Hey guys, it's been a long hot week. The one I have for you today is a system that's going to turn into a change out. I'll tell you that from the start, and it wouldn't have unless I had been thorough. Stay tuned, here it comes. No, I don't have kids. Maybe one day, but not right now. 51. Huh. That coil looks good. Y'all need to get you a new filter first chance you get. Do you have one here? I'll change it for you. All right, I'm gonna take it outside. Well, I'm glad to be out of that hot attic I just got out of. I had to do an evaporator coil, and oh, I heard that hissing when I took it off. I had to do an evaporator coil on it, and I had to be a contortionist just to do it. I hope this isn't an R22 system. Didn't make this easy. It is R22. I'm not reading anything. There we go. Subcooling's a little bit low. Superheat's a little bit high. It's already 90 degrees out here. If it's low, it's just a little bit low. Y'all see these numbers? Those air handlers have a TXV in them. Alright, I think we might just need, what's my 60-degree suction temperature coming back? Let's put probes inside, and we might just have to top this off with just a little bit. Alright, now we got much more information. I've got an 11-degree temp drop, 12 degrees, 90 degrees out here. Low subcooling and high superheat. 11.8 degree temp drop. That's not good. I'm going to start off by charging just a little bit. Little bit at a time. My subcooling has come up. Superheat starting to go down. I see it moving, so let's watch it for a little while. 18.3 degrees superheat, 18.1. Still got a 12-degree temp drop. So my superheat's come down to 16.5. So my suction line is starting to cool off a little bit more. My subcooling's at 14 degrees. My superheat's down to 16.5. But that suction pressure still seems a little bit low. Just keeping an eye on that subcooling. And all right, bumping it up. I got 19 degrees subcooling, so I got a high subcooling now and above average superheat. That's making me think we got a little bit of a restriction in our TXV. My suction pressure does not seem like it wants to come up hardly any at all. I think we got a couple of problems here, not just one. All right, I was able to start moving some heat that I can feel out the top. But look at my subcooling. I'm at 28 degrees. I finally got a lower superheat, which means my suction line is colder. But my suction pressure has barely moved. Fixing to go in and do a leak search on that coil. I'm going to show you my temp drop. My temp drop is just 12.4 still. I think I've got a problem with the metering device, and I think it was low on Freon. This looks sealed up pretty good. Let's check our temperatures real quick. I've gotten, well, I was at 13-degree temp drop, which is much better. Superheat is still at 10 degrees. Subcooling is up to 27. Superheat's at 9.5. Suction pressure is not coming up. What in the world? Y'all see this? I don't know how that thing ever drained. Oh my word. That went up to 11 real quick. Try to let that zero out here in the hall. That went to 13. This system's not that old. It's a 2008 2.5 ton. We can order a coil. It's going to be a 410 coil, so you have to get a TXV with it. So I think the coil and TXV will solve their problems. But the fact that it's R22 may mean they want another estimate. So I'm gonna give them the coil estimate first. Guys, that's just one of 5 change outs I've gotten in the last 4 days. Needless to say, I can't do them all as quickly as I'd like. Tune in tomorrow. I'm doing a trailer air conditioner, condenser, and coil by myself. See you tomorrow.